Hi children, today we are going to do some activities from workbook. I request you to open your workbook page number 8. Workbook page number 8 and you have to open your textbook also page number 16. Textbook page number 16, workbook page number 8. See what is the first activity? Write the names of the season against the objects that Gulgul drew in her drawings. See, we saw in textbook there are 3 drawings: summer season, monsoon season and winter season. She drew many things in each seasons, right? What are the things she had drawn? So you have to open your textbook also. Okay. See, first one, rainbow. Rainbow. In which season she had drawn rainbow? Rainbow, where it is in monsoon season, right? Rainbow is in, she had drawn in monsoon season. And bright sun, where it is bright sun? In summer season she had drawn a bright sun, right? In monsoon season rainbow, summer season bright sun. And snowman, where did she draw snowman? In winter season, right? In winter season, snowman in winter season. And next, ice cream man, where is ice cream man? Where did she draw ice cream man? Ice cream man, see, in summer season, right? Ice cream man she drawn in summer season. And next, Christmas tree. Where is Christmas tree? In winter season, right? Christmas tree she had drawn in winter season. See, rainbow, monsoon season, bright sun, summer season, snowman, winter season, ice cream man, summer season, Christmas tree, winter season, right? Next, see, filling the blanks. Next activity, filling the blanks. Monsoon is the dash season. Monsoon is dash season. What is monsoon? See, here you read this paragraph. Monsoon is the rainy season. Right, monsoon season in the sense it is a rainy season. Monsoon is the rainy season. What we have to fill there? Rainy, R-A-I-N-Y, rainy. Monsoon is the rainy season. Next, everything is dash in monsoon season. Everything is dash in monsoon season. See, read, monsoon is the rainy season. Everything is wet in monsoon season. Right, everything is wet in monsoon season. We have to fill there wet, W-E-T, wet. Everything is wet in monsoon season. And next one, Gulgul loves dash and dash. What are the things she loves? Let us see. Okay, we have to read. This is my summer season drawing. I have drawn a bright sun. I have also drawn white ice cream man. I love ice cream. I love ice cream. She wrote she told, right? I love ice cream. One is ice cream, right? And one more thing we have to write what she loves, right? See, monsoon is the rainy season. Everything is wet in monsoon. This is my monsoon drawing. I have drawn children wearing colorful raincoats. I have also drawn a rainbow. I love rainbows. Do you also? See, I love rainbows. She told, right? I love rainbows and she loves ice cream and rainbows. Okay. Gulgul loves ice cream and rainbows. What are the things she loves? Gulgul loves ice cream and rainbows. Next, Gulgul has drawn dash under the Christmas tree. She had drawn something under the Christmas tree. What is that? She had drawn gifts, right? She had drawn gifts under the Christmas tree. Gifts. Gifts. She had drawn gifts under the Christmas tree. Next, the Christmas tree has ribbons, colorful dash and shiny dash. For answering it, we have to read last paragraph, right? The Christmas tree has ribbons, colorful dash and shiny dash. What are those? This is my winter drawing. I have drawn a cute snowman. The snowman has a red craft around its neck. I have also drawn a Christmas tree. It has ribbons, colorful balls and shiny stars. It has ribbons, colorful balls and shiny stars. What we have to write there? The Christmas tree has ribbons, colorful balls. We have to fill balls, BALLS, colorful balls and shiny stars, STARS, stars. Right. See, these two activities you have to fill it in your workbook. Okay, only you fill in workbook itself, not in the notebook. Okay, fill it in the workbook. This is your homework. I'll send answers along with this video. Okay, fill it neatly and send me a snap. Okay, this is your today's homework.